This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Smith Mountain Lake real estate property video is presented by Dana Montgomery. Enjoy beautiful Smith Mountain Lake and the maintenance-free lifestyle at Bridgewater Bay. Golf carts welcome to cruise with Ezato, your own deeded covered boat slip. This one-owner 3-bedroom 2-bath condo has been very well maintained and never rented. Large covered patio west/lake views. Cul-de-sac street, single car garage, dishwasher approx 3 years old, outside heat pump replaced in 2017, gas log fireplace, owner added additional cabinetry west/wine rack, and backsplash in kitchen. This is easy living for full-time or a great rental property, weekly rentals allowed. Community offers clubhouse west/exercise room, pool, hot tub, and tennis. There is a day dock for swimming. Assigned covered bow slip included. Great location, conveniently located west/in 5 minutes to Bridgewater Plaza and Food Lion. For more information.